Hello everyone, I am Sandeep. I am back with another video. I am here to discuss about memory devices. Let us understand about what are memory devices and types of memory devices. Let's dive into it. Memory devices are the electronic component or pieces of hardware used to store data. There are basically two types of memory devices are there. First one is internal memory and external memory devices. Let us understand about internal memory. Internal memory is the computer's working memory that is used to store and retrieve data that the CPU is actively processing. For example, RAM, cache memory, and etc. Let us understand about external memory. It is a computer memory that is non-volatile and is not directly accessed by a computer. It is used for long-term storage of data even when the power is turned off. Example, hard disk drives, solid state drives, optical disks like CDs and DVDs, etc. Let us understand about the basic concepts of electronic memory. An electronic memory device is a form of semiconductor storage which is fast in response and compact in size. It is an integral part of modern computing. A semiconductor storage system which can be read and written when coupled with the CPU. Electronic memory stores data in the form of bits. They have two states, 0 and 1. Byte is a basic unit of measurement in electronic memory. Electronic memory can be read or written. Reading refers to retrieving data from the memory, while writing refers to storing data in the memory. Let us understand about the classification of memory devices. These electronic memory devices are basically classified into four categories. First one is transistor type electronic memory. Second one is capacitor type electronic memory. Third one is resistor type electronic memory, and the fourth one is charge transfer effects electronic memory. Let us understand about transistor type electronic memory. These type of devices contains a 5 electronic circuit, including a complementary metal oxide semiconductor, transistor and capacitor. In this electronic circuit, 0 and 1 corresponds to the discharged and charged states of the capacitor. For example, dynamic random access memory and static random access memory. Some key materials used in these devices are silicon, metal oxides of silicon dioxide, hafnium oxide, polysilicon, metals like aluminum, copper, etc. Second one is capacitor type electronic memory. A capacitor type consists of two metals plate which are capable of storing an electric charge. It is used to store data. It is like a battery that holds data based on energy. If the capacitor is charged, it holds the binary numeral 1 and holds 0 when the cell is discharged. Example, dynamic random access memory. Organic and polymeric ferroelectric materials are used in these type of memory devices. Let us understand about resistor type electronic memory. These type of memory devices uses switchable resistive materials to store data. Initially, the device is under high resistance state or off or logical value 0 state. When the resistance changed or under external applied field changes to low resistance, the device state turn into on state or logical value 1 state. Examples, resistive random access memory. Some key materials used are metal oxides like titanium dioxide, hafnium oxides, metals like platinum, silver, dielectrics like silicon oxide, etc. Let us have a look into charge transfer effects electronic memory. This type of electronic device is based on charge transfer effects of a charge transfer complex. A charge transfer complex consists of two parts, one electronic donor and the other is electronic acceptor. It is called as donor acceptor complex. The conductivity of Charge transfer complex is dependent on ionic bonding between the donor and acceptor components. Example for these type of electronic memory devices are ferroelectric random access memory.